My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well at home for COVID-19. The name of our renowned school is South Noakhali Secondary School, Dumuria Khulna. Class 10, subject English, second paper, date 28/9/2020, lesson using connectors. My name is Madhusudan Dali, English teacher of this renowned institution. Today I am teaching you complete the passage using suitable connectors. Using suitable connectors. Look at this chart or poster paper. A school magazine that is published by the school and authority annually. Here number you will find out this number 10. Here 5 marks. We have to use 5 connectors here. Suitable connector. A magazine. Here will be which as a related pronoun which. B authority annually. It contains poems, articles, essays, dash jokes. Poems, noun, comma, articles, comma, essays, dash jokes. These 4 words are nouns. Here comma, here comma, here what will be? Number B will be and. Number C, the publication of it is not an easy task. Dash C, dash it needs time, energy and money. C, what will be here? But it needs time, energy and money. Number D, read out. Look at this. D, dash school committees formed from the teachers dash students. D, here will be at first. At first, they will be at first. Next, teacher and these are 2 nouns. So between these 2 nouns, we can use and. The editor dash is selected or elected by the committee members. Advice, writings, dash good writing. The editor is what will be here? Who? The editor is a person, so we can use as related to who. The editor is antecedent here. Committee members, invites, writings, dash good writing. Writing are selected from printing. Here will be because. Okay, we have already finished this To answer in the system you need 5 connectors. So here 2 is extra. Next, look at, we have already finished this using connectors. Next number 11. Here you have to use punctuation, marks and capitals. Punctuation, marks and capitals. Punctuation, marks and capitals. Capitals. Punctuation, marks. Punctuation, marks and capitals. Punctuation marks, here full stop, comma, semicolon, colon dash, hyphen, note of interrogation, note of exclamation, apostrophe, etc. We can use this. We can also use point bracket, second bracket, also third brackets. These are include punctuation marks. Capital letters. Here there are 26 letters in English alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E are also capital letters. Decimal sign A, decimal sign B, decimal sign C, decimal sign D, decimal sign E. These are small letters. So we have to use in this passage punctuation marks and capital letters. Have you heard? You know, at first the word of a sentence will be capital letter. The word first letter. You have heard the name of Alexander. Alexander here will be proper noun, so here will be capital letter. Asked, M will be big capital letter. Ahmed proper noun. Asked, Alexander. Inverted comma beginning, inverted comma quotation mark is quoted here. This statement or reported this is here. Asked Mr. Ahmed. A will be capital letter, full stop. No sir, Raju replied. Here A will be capital letter, comma. No sir. Raju replied. Raju is a proper noun, so first letter will be capital letter. Raju replied. Full stop. How strange it is. This is also a exclamatory sentence. Here H will be capital letter. How strange it is. Said he. Here note of exclamation. Say it. Will you tell me about Alexander, please? Here will Abdullah Ribab show first letter of the word will be W, capital letter. Will you tell me about Alexander also name of proper noun Alexander, please comma well here W will be capital. He was the great king of Macedonia. The name of a place like Dhaka, Khulna, Chittagong, Comilla, etc. We have already completed this using the punctuation marks and capital letters. Now, your hometown. Your hometown, you will change this passage narration from direct to indirect. From direct to indirect. This is your home task. Today your class is in. Goodbye, students.